Because they're tired of all the big fees that are being imposed by the big banks. They're tired of a really bad customer service. That's taken a hit. So they're making.
We got word today that the nation's largest bank, Bank of America, is about to charge a fee of $5 a month for the privilege of making a purchase with a debit card.
As all the houses in their neighborhood go up for sale, the value of their house goes down. And they start to wonder why they're paying back their $300,000 mortgage when the house is now worth only $90,000.
Let's talk about other options here. Credit unions, good idea?
Yes, they're the winners out of all of this. Everybody's discovering credit unions. They're nonprofits. They don't pay taxes. Their CEOs tend not to travel in Gulf Streams. It's amazing. The fees are lower. They charge you less when you say the interest rates on mortgages, auto loans, but they pay you more on CDs and savings accounts. Lots of people are switching.
It almost sounds too good to be true, but all you hear is people do it.
Hi, I'm Scott Meggs. You may be one of millions of consumers who've had enough and are looking for a better banking experience. Credit unions are a great choice, and I believe that Texas Trust Credit Union is your best choice. There are 5 things that you need to consider when looking for a new financial institution so that you don't end up in the same shape as why you're leaving. Consumers are choking down fees with things like debit card usage and paper statements and even calling into customer service. More than ever, it's important that you review your bank's fee schedule. Now, these aren't standard and they don't all look alike, so make sure that you're comparing apples with apples. Also, review the standard offerings compared to the add-ons. Then assess how are you going to be using the account. For example, if you receive a free box of checks, but don't write many checks in a year, that may not be a high priority for you. Convenience is also another factor to look into, but that means something a little different to each of us. For me, customer service is a high priority. I want to understand the person that I'm talking to when I call in. For you, perhaps close proximity to a branch is important. And what about home banking, mobile banking? And will they efficiently handle my concerns and problems? These are all important questions to ask when you're shopping for a new financial institution. Another key factor is strength and security. With mergers on the rise, you need to review their financial reports to be able to predict, are they still going to be in business a year from now? A great resource is bankrate.com. That'll give you a rating and a description. One final thing, and it's a big one, is what is the overall philosophy for doing business? How do they prioritize their customers? I'd recommend that you Google their name and find out what's out there. What are they saying about them? Credit unions are built on the mantra, people helping people. They're owned by their membership. So they don't have customers, they have members. And as you can imagine, customer service is a very high priority. Most people, when they hear the words credit union, think of a special place they have to work in order to be able to join. However, most credit unions today, like Texas Trust, are community-based. So as long as you live or work in the area, you too can join. Now, you may not recognize their brand or logo when you pull your debit card out to use it at the point of purchase, but does that really matter as long as it works and, quite frankly, as long as you don't have to worry about a fee at the end of the month for using it? Now, I hope all of these tips have been helpful for you in you determining which financial institution to go to meet your needs. As I said, I believe that Texas Trust Credit Union is the best choice around, and will work hard to earn your business. But one thing I'd like you to remember, no matter which way you go, allowing a financial institution to hold your money is a privilege, one that you can take away. Make sure that your choice in institutions is aware of that too.